Assalamualaikum dear students. Today we are going to start with water soluble vitamins. Last video we have seen with the fat soluble vitamins A, D, E, K, and today we are going to see with the water soluble vitamins. First we are going to start with vitamin C. Vitamin C is very important one, and let me tell you, as it is water soluble, we have to include it in our diet. Yes, we have talked about it. The sources is generally the citrus fruits. It is present in the citrus fruits like lemon, amla, it is also present in green leafy vegetables. Dear students, deficiency of this can go for having problems in the bones. It can also go for having the teeth problem. It can, if we don't have the vitamin C properly in the body, the person can suffer from the problem known as scurvy. It means a bleeding gums. There will be also the deformity in the bones if we don't have the vitamin C in the proper amount in our body. Next, we are going to talk about vitamin B. Dear student, vitamin B is having number of different vitamin B labeling with the numbers, but the general sources of vitamin B is meat, it is also present in milk, it is also available in yeast. Dear students, if we talk about the classification of vitamin B, it is classified as vitamin B1, B2, B6 and B12. We are going to see one by one. Vitamin B1 is also known as thiamine. It is found in yeast. It is the richest source present over there in the yeast. It is also found in the outer layer of the rice. Millets. Deficiency of vitamin B1 leads to the problem known as beriberi. Dear students, there will be deformity in the bones over here and loss of appetite, retarded growth. Vitamin B1, which is also known as riboflavin, it is available in milk and milk products. It is also present in egg, liver, and green leafy vegetables. Pulses, wheat, the deficiency of vitamin B2 leads to the problem known as cheilosis. Dear student, cheilosis means fissuring at the lips. You can see the picture of a child which is having fissuring lips. The problem is known as cheilosis. It can also lead to the problem of digestive system. Digestive problems can be arise because of deficiency of vitamin B2. Also, one more problem is there. that is burning sensation of the skin. This all are the problems leaded because of vitamin B2 deficiency. If we talk about vitamin B6, pyridoxine, the sources of pyridoxine is meat, liver, egg yolk, and cereals. Wheat, and green leafy vegetables. The deficiency of vitamin B6 leads to the problem called convulsions. Convulsions are the type of the fits. The body gets frightened suddenly and the condition goes like unconsciousness. Such a kind of the condition is called convulsions. Deficiency of vitamin B6 leads to a serious problem. Vitamin B12, which is also known as cobalamin. Dear student, you have to remember the names. Sometimes the names are asked. Sources are meat, fish, and egg. Also, it is obtained from curd. The deficiency of vitamin B12 leads to the problem called pernicious anemia. Herein, the body is suffering with the blood cells. Our next topic is nucleic acids. We are going to talk in our next video about the last topic of the chapter, that is nucleic acids, wherein we are going to study about DNA and RNA.